Hello my dear students, I warmly welcome you to CR's digital classes. In this video, we are going to see the introduction of our topic Surds. So let us start. So basically there are some laws for Surds. What are these? So the first law says that whenever we have nth root of a, we can write it as a to the power of 1 by n, and whenever we have nth root of a multiplied by b, a into b, then we can write it as nth root of a into nth root of b. And in the same way, if we are having nth root of a by b, then we can write it as nth root of a by nth root of b. In such a way, these are all the formulas of Surds. So please take a note of them. So let us start our questions. So our first question says, find the value of under root of 80 plus 3 root 245 and minus 125. So what I have to do now? I have to do the prime factors of 80. So the prime factors of 80 can be written as 240 is 80, 220 is 40, 210 is 20 and 25 is 10. So 80 can be written as what? 80 can be written as 2 to the power of 4 multiplied by 5. 2 to the power of 4 multiplied by 5. Then here 80 is written as 2 to the power of 4 multiplied by 5. So if 2 to the power of 4 multiplied by 5, can I separate them? I can separate them like this because our law says that. So 2 to the power of 4 into under root of 5. So if 2 to the power of 4 here, 2 to the power of 4 is what? 16. Under root of 16. Root 16 value is 4. So our first value is 4 root 5. Next, the second one is under root of 245. So what we have to do? We have to do the prime factors of 245. Now 5 4s are 20, 5 9s 45, then 7 7s are 49. So 245 can be written as, so here 3 value is already present. 245 can be written as 7 square multiplied by 5. So already we have 3 here. After solving this, we are getting 7 square into root 5, then 3 multiplied by 7 root 5. Then under root of 125. Under root of 125 can be written as 5 cube. So 5 cube. So 5 square into under root of 5. Then 5 square is 5. So here 5 root 5. So here we are having plus, minus, plus, minus, plus and minus. So 4 root 5. 4 root 5 plus 7 3s are 21 root 5 minus 5 root 5. So 21 plus 4 is 25. 25 minus 5 is 20. So our answer is what? 20 root 5. Okay. Now coming to the next question. So here we have to know what is the process of rationalization. So in rationalizing, first rationalizing a number, what we have to do is we have to multiply the conjugate of that number, or whenever we are having root 3 plus 2, we have to multiply it with root 3 minus root 2 in numerator and in the denominator also. So let us solve this. In numerator we are getting root 3 minus root 2, and in denominator we are getting root 3 plus root 2 multiplied by root 3 minus root 2. So here in numerator we have root 3 minus root 2 itself, but in denominator this is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So a plus b into a minus b gives us a square minus b square. So here a square is root 3 whole square minus b square is root 2 whole square. So in the numerator we have root 3 minus root 2, but in the denominator square and root gets cancelled, square and root gets cancelled, then 3 minus 2 is 1. So the numerator, so the value of 1 by root 3 plus root 2 is root 3 minus root 2. In this way rationalization is done. Okay. Now coming to the next one, which says root 7 minus root 5 divided by root 7 plus root 5 is equals to a plus b root 35. A plus b root 35. So let us solve this one, which says root 7 minus root 5 divided by root 7 plus root 5. Now what I have to do? I have to multiply or rationalize this number. So for rationalizing this number, what I have to do? That I have to multiply it with root 7 minus root 5, because in denominator we are having plus, in numerator and denominator we should take the opposite of that symbol, so which is root 7 minus root 5. So after solving, root 7 minus root 5 whole square, but in denominator we are getting a plus b into a minus b. So a plus b into a minus b becomes what? A square minus b square. So root 7 whole square minus root 5 whole square. Square root gets cancelled, square and root gets cancelled. In numerator we are left with root 7 minus root 5. A minus b whole square. A minus b whole square gives us value of a square plus b square minus 2ab. In denominator we are left with 7 minus 5. So let us see 7 square root 7 square. So here square and root gets cancelled. Square and root gets cancelled. So 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 minus 2 root 7 5 is 35. Divided by 7 minus 5 is 2. After solving we are left with 6 minus root 35. So this value is given as this is equal to this value. So let us equate them, which is a plus b root 35. After equating this, I can say that the value of a is what? The value of a is here 6 and the value of b is here what? Minus 1. The value of a is 6 and the value of b is minus 1. In our question, he asked for the value of a minus b. We should find the value of a minus b, which is a minus b. The value of a is 6 and the value of b is here minus 1. So 6 minus of minus 1 is 6 plus 1. So the value of a minus b is 7. So our answer is what? 7. Okay. Now coming to the next question, which is if p is equals to 125, then cube root of p multiplied. So we have to solve this particular equation. So let us write this equation down here. So cube root of p multiplied by p square gives me p cube. P multiplied by 3p is 3p square plus p into 3 is 3p. Now I am left with 1. So after checking this particular equation, I can say that this is the cube of what? This value is the cube of p plus 1 whole cube. So let us verify this. P plus 1 whole cube. A plus b whole cube is equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So let us see. A cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So after solving this, I am left with p cube plus 3p square plus 3p plus 1. So this value is nothing but this value. So this value can be written as p plus 1 whole cube. So cube root of p plus 1 whole cube. So cube and cube root get cancelled. Now I am left with what? P plus 1. So the value of p here is 125. So 125 plus 1 is 126. So our answer is what? 126. Okay. So our next question says if a is equals to 2 plus root 3, then we have to find what? We have to find the value of a square plus a to the power of minus 2. So a square can be written as this and a to the power of minus 2 can be written as 1 by a square. 1 by a square. Okay. Now if I want to find the value of a square plus 1 by a square, what I have to do is I have to find the value of 1a plus 1 by a whole square. I have to first of all find the value of a plus 1 by a whole square, then subtract 2 times of a into 1 by a. Then I have to subtract what? 2 times of a into 1 by a, because this is a plus b whole square, this is a square plus b square. We know that a square plus b square is equals to a plus b whole square minus 2 times of ab. This is written in this particular format itself. So first of all, what I have to find? I have to find the value of a plus 1 by a. So we know the value of a. Now what I have to find? I have to find the value of 1 by a. So let us see. 1 by a. 1 by a is equals to 1 by 2 plus root 3. So let us rationalize this particular number. What I have to do is I have to multiply it with 2 minus root 3 and divide it with 2 minus root 3. So in numerator I have 2 minus root 3, but in denominator what will we be getting? We will be getting 2 square minus root 3 whole square, because a plus b multiplied by a minus b gives us a square minus b square, which is 2 square minus root 3 whole square. So square and root gets cancelled. In numerator I am left with 2 minus root 3 and in denominator 4 minus 3. So a 1 by b, 1 by a is equals to, the value of 1 by a is equals to 2 minus root 3. So let us find the value of a plus 1 by a. A plus 1 by a is equals to, which is 2 plus root 3 plus 2 minus root 3. Root 3 gets cancelled. So a plus 1 by a is what? 4. Let us substitute the value here. A plus 1 by a is 4 minus, here a and a gets cancelled. I'm left with only 2. So 4 square is 16. 16 minus 2 is what? 14. So our answer for the value a square plus a to the power of minus 2 is what? 4. So our answer is 14. Okay. Cubed root of 10 square plus under root of 625. Let us solve under root of 625. 625 is nothing but 25 square. 25 square is 625. So I can write it as under root of 25 whole square. Then 10 square is 100 plus, then we have a cubed root. So square root gets cancelled. So cubed root of 100 plus 25. 100 plus 25 is 125. I can write 125 as 5 cube. So 5 cube is 125. So cube and cubed root get cancelled. So our answer is 5, which is option C. Now coming to the next question. It says if x is equals to root 3 plus root 2, then x cube plus 1 by x cube. What is 1 by x? X cube plus 1 by x cube. Now if x is equals to root 3 plus root 2, let us find what is the value of 1 by x. So 1 by x is 1 upon root 3 plus root 2. Now let us rationalize this particular surd. So root 3 minus root 2 divided by root 3 minus root 2. In the numerator we have root 3 minus root 2, and in the denominator we have a format like a plus b into a minus b. So a plus b into a minus b gives us a square minus b square. So root 3 whole square minus root 2 whole square. Square and root gets cancelled, square root gets cancelled. Now we are left with root 3 minus root 2 divided by 1. So 1 by x is equals to root 3 minus root 2. So we have got the value of 1 by x also. Now let us add x plus 1 by x. So x is root 3 plus root 2 and y is root 3 minus root 2. So plus root 2 minus root 2 gets cancelled. So x plus 1 by x is 2 root 3. We have a value of 2 root 3 as 1 x plus 1 by x. Now after seeing this x cube plus 1 by x cube, I am getting a formula like this. If x plus 1 by x is k, some k value, then x cube plus 1 by x cube is k cube minus 3k. What I have done here is I have simply done cubing on both sides and come to a conclusion like this. Now let us substitute it here. So x plus 1 by x is 2 root 3. So k value is 2 root 3. Then x cube plus 1 by x cube is equals to, in the place of k we have to substitute 2 root 3. 2 root 3 whole cube minus 3 into 2 root 3. So 2 cube is 8. 3 root 3. Root 3 cube is 3 root 3 minus 3 2s are 6 root 3. 3 8s are 24 root 3 minus 6 root 3. 24 root 3 minus 6 root 3 gives me a value of 18 root 3. So our answer is 18 root 3, which is option A. Now coming to the next question. So x is equals to 7 plus 4 root 3 and y is equals to 7 minus 4 root 3. Then x to the power of minus 2 plus y to the power of minus 2 is what? Now x to the power of minus 2 can be written as 1 by x square plus y to the power of minus 2 can be written as 1 by y square. What he is asking here is y square plus x square. I am simplifying this, x square y square. So I want a value of x square plus y square and xy whole square or x square into y square. Now let us see 7 plus 4 root 3. X is 7 plus 4 root 3 and y is 7 minus 4 root 3. After multiplying x with y, I get a value of x into y is equals to 1. You can verify this. After multiplying with x with 1, I am getting the answer of xy is equals to 1. Now what I have to find is x square plus y square value. Now x plus y is equals to 7 plus 4 root 3 plus 7 minus 4 root 3. So plus 4 root 3 and minus 4 root 3 gets cancelled. So x plus y is 14. The value of x plus y is 14. Now let us square it on both sides. So x plus y whole square is equals to 14 square. So x square plus y square plus 2xy is equals to 14 square. 14 square is 196. We know the value of x into y. X into y is 1. So x square plus y square plus 2 into 1 is equals to 196. From this I can say that x square plus y square is equals to 196 minus 2, which is 194. Now let us substitute these values here. X square plus y square is equals to y square plus x. Both are same. So y square plus x square or x square plus y square is 194 divided by x square into y square. X square into y square can be written as xy whole square. So we know that xy is 1. 1 square is 1. So our answer is 194, which is option D. Now coming to the fourth question. Here, whenever you see a pattern like this, what you have to do is you have to check whether these are in 2 root 2 format or not. These are in 2 root 2 format. Now let us take the values in under root of these values. So here in under root we have 6. 6 can be written as 2 3s are 6. Now 10. 10 can be written as 2 5s are 10. And 15. 15 can be written as 3 5s are 15. Now here I am getting 2 2 times, 3 2 times and 5 2 times. What I have to do is I have to check if 2 plus 3 plus 5 is 10 or not. If I am getting a value of 10 after adding these numbers, then my answer is correct. So 2 plus 3 plus 5 is 10. So it is correct. So this particular equation is nothing but root 2 plus root 3 plus root 5 whole square is equals to 10 plus 2 root 6 plus 2 root 10 plus 2 root 15. So in the place of 10 plus 2 root 6 plus 2 root 10 plus 2 root 15, I can substitute this value. So square root of root 2 plus root 3 plus root 5 whole square. So square and root gets cancelled. So I am left with the answer root 2 plus root 3 plus root 5, which is option B. So our answer is option B, not option 1. As in option 1, we are having only 3, not root 3. So our answer is option 2. Thank you for watching this video.